Hello and welcome, Greg here from SEAT Crewe dealership, sharing with you today this newly arrived Audi A4 Saloon that is joining our stock. This particular example is the A4 S-Line model, finished here in this lovely black colour, and being a saloon it gives it a special exclusive look. You will enjoy in the front full LED headlights with LED daytime running lights with 5-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels around the side. Signature shaped LED taillights can also be found in the back, and the boot space offers a wide opening and is incredibly deep for all your luggage and shopping. Passengers in the rear will enjoy full leather upholstery with seating for 3, as well as 2 ISOFIX child anchor points and their very own climate control system, whilst in the front, stylishly designed decorative door and dash inserts will be complemented by front bucket sport seats with knee support. The driver will further enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and on a separate stalk there's cruise control and speed limiter. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials, and you can also display all your music needs, Bluetooth contacts and even satellite navigation guidance when on the move. The floating MMI navigation screen is operated via rotary dial and comes with bespoke drive modes, as well as an adjustable speaker sound system. For all your music needs, AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception is on offer, with additional media source inputs such as those on the screen. Pairing your phone for Bluetooth is incredibly easy, and the built-in sat-nav will ensure you never get lost. Additionally, Audi Connected concierge services can be utilized as an optional extra should you find them useful, and you'll even have Audi smartphone interface for both Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. Helping you park are audible and visual front and rear sensors, with 2-zone climate control system available in the front, with heated front seats thanks to the winter pack.